It's a dugong. Say it with me. Dugong. Grey. Dun 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 dun. Great white shark. Say it with me. Great white shark. Tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. T is for tiger. Orange and black stripes. A tiger. An elephant. Elephants are the colour grey. Say it with me. Elephant. P is for pufferfish. The colour green. A green pufferfish. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. And this is a lioness because it's a female lion and it's a colour yellow. A lioness. B is for bear. Say it with me. Bear. Bears live in the woods. S is for snake. Say it with me. Snake. And this snake is yellow with red spots. A snake. K is for camel. Say it with me. Camel. And this camel is called a dromedary camel because it has one hump. A dromedary camel. The letter K is for crab. Say it with me. Crab. This crab is green. Crabs live in the rock pools down at the beach. See if you can see any the next time you're there. W is for whale shark. Say it with me. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the colour blue with white spots. They live in the sea. A whale shark. B is for blue tang. Say it with me. Blue tang. This is a special blue tang and her name is Dory. And she's from Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. She's coloured blue, black and yellow. It's Dory. W is for white tiger. W. White tiger. They're the colour white with black stripes. Roar! A white tiger. M is for mammoth. Mammoths lived many thousands of years ago. They were bigger than elephants. Such strong creatures too. M is for mammoth. M. P is for platypus. Say it with me. Platypus. People call these duck-billed platypuses because it has a bill in the shape of a duck's bill. F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit. This one's green. Frogs come in many different colours. F is for frog. Bzzz. It's a bee. It's missing a wing, but that doesn't matter. It can still fly. Bzzz. B is for bee. S is for shark. S. And this shark is a bluey colour. S is for shark. H is for hound shark. Say it with me. Hound shark. Hound sharks are the colour grey. Dun 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 dun. It's a robin. Robins are birds. This robin is a colour brown with a red chest. A red chest robin. H is for horse. Say it with me. Horse. Horses can be found down on the farm. Have you ever been to a farm before? There's lots to discover and see there. A horse. O is for octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. This octopus is the colour yellow with some red as well. O is for octopus. H is for hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses are so big. This one's hungry. Can you feed him some food? Yummy, yummy, feed me. H is for hippopotamus, and you can also call these hippos. Hippo, hup, 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 hippo. R is for rhinoceros, and you can call these rhinos for short. They are very, very strong and dangerous animals. Thanks for learning with me, guys. I'll see you again next time.